What is going on, everybody? I'm going to take you through a very quick video showing you how I use the one dot entry function, which is a way of entering trades based on the dots in the dots bias indicator, which is on the top of my screen. So all the one dot entry function is simply buying and selling a close of the first column of all uniformly colored dots. So right here where my cursor is, this is the first column of all green dots. Buying here, first column of all green dots. Buying here, and then I'll take you through how the day went. So I'm going to go to the market replay function at the beginning of the day to show you how this plays out. And so the goal is to achieve 1R. 1R is just your fixed dollar of risk, and my personal risk parameters. I stop if I am up 1R or down 2R. So let's begin this day. So the market opens. You can see the dots filtering out, coloring out. The dots are mixed. When the dots are mixed, I expect chop, and I look for a closure of all green or all red dots. Let me go a little quicker. And you know it's coming up because I literally just showed it to you. Let me go to the close bar. Okay, so this is a 1 minute chart. So this is the first closure of all green dots. So I look at the ATR. The ATR is 67. To keep my risk fixed, I use just a quick calculator. Say my risk size, my R is $500. What was the points? It was 67. So about, this is rough, about 4 micros to risk $500. So I go to my little thing, long. Your risk is 500. Close enough. 500. Close enough. And this trade is a stop out. So automatically, or not automatically, but you are down 1R at the beginning of the day. So this next setup, all green dots, and this is just blindly trading the system. This is no context for anything else. I actually skipped this first setup because I didn't like how it wasn't displacing over this high, and I ended up taking this next setup. But this video is just to show blindly trading the setup. So 73 is the ATR. You go to your little sheet. 73 is the ATR to risk $500. So it's right in the middle. 3, 4, whatever. Let's do 4 again. So you're long. 500 is your stop. That's close enough. 500 is your stop. I'm sorry, is your target. So this is blindly trading the one dot entry functions. That's it. Nothing else to think about. So this trade is a winner. So first trade loser, second trade winner. So you are up 0. So let's just go to the next setup. So dots are all green. So green bias means short-term price action is expected to be higher. Okay, so the dots get mixed. When the dots get mixed, I expect chop. So this is, again, blindly doing the one dot entry function with no consideration for anything else. So right here we get a first closure of a column of red dots. ATR is about 50 points. Boom, so 5 micros and you're short. So risking 500 to make 500. Again, no consideration for anything else. You're short. price comes up, almost stops you out. And winner. So 1 loser and 2 winners. You're up 1R on the day. This is blindly using the 1 entry function. If you want to try the indicator out, there's a 7-day free trial. This is not investment advice. I highly advise you to backtest anything you want. Backtest your own entry functions. This entry function, just see what works for you. So this is April so far. This is strictly the 1 entry function. Every day's been a winner. Today was actually had the first losing trade of the month. So it is up 6R with an 87.5 win rate. That is high. Usually the win rate is anywhere between, I've seen 62 to high 70%, 1-1 RR. So that was today's price action. And if you're interested in trying the indicator out, there's a 7-day free trial. Like I said, the link is in the bio. There's also a lifetime membership option that will be on the WAP storefront page. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Otherwise, hope to see you in the Discord. Thank you.